Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will telling about Heartland Season 17 new poster, a sneak peek. Before continue, I request you to subscribe our channel and press on the bell icon button for new videos notifications on time. Heartland fans, rejoice! The long-awaited return of the beloved Canadian family drama is just around the corner. After a heartwarming 16 seasons, Heartland is making its triumphant comeback for its 17th season on CBC Television, and we have some thrilling news to share with you. To kick things off, the official poster for Season 17 has been revealed, and it's nothing short of stunning. The poster showcases the show's beloved main characters, Amy, Jack, Lou, and Tim, standing in front of the iconic Heartland Ranch. The poster captures not only the breathtaking beauty of the show's setting, but also the deep family bond that lies at the heart of Heartland. But that's not all. We have an even more exciting announcement. The release date for Season 17 has been set, and it's sooner than you might have anticipated. Get ready to clear your schedules because the Season 17 premiere of Heartland is set for Sunday, October 1st at 7 p.m. on CBC Television. This marks a significant milestone for the show, as it will also be Heartland's 250th episode, a monumental achievement in the world of television. The first episode of Season 17, titled The Long Road Home, promises to be a poignant and captivating start to the new season. In this episode, viewers will follow Amy as she returns to Heartland after a journey to Europe with Ty's ashes. This installment is sure to tug at the heartstrings of fans who have been eagerly awaiting the next chapter in Amy's journey. If you can't wait to catch a glimpse of what's in store for the new season, you're in luck. The official trailer for Season 17 will be released next week, specifically on Wednesday, September 13th. This trailer will provide an exciting sneak peek into the challenges, adventures, and relationships that await our beloved characters in the upcoming season. Be sure to mark your calendar and set your alarms. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and give feedback.